Hello everyone, Carson here back on Sudoku on New York Times. Today is January 8th, 2024. Let's start today's hard Sudoku. Alright, so first of all, up here, block 1 is completely empty, so I don't think I'm going to do much with that. Let's see, these twos, they point down. These ones, they point left. These sevens point up. This 9 points down, and it forces 9 in block 5 to go in column 6. These point down, with these pointing into the block, sorry. That forces the digit 9 in this cell for block 8, because it can't go anywhere else. Okay, this 6, it points up with this 6 pointing right. In block 5, 6 has to go in column 5, and these 6s point up to put 6 in one of these two cells for block 2. Okay, so the 6 points down and the 6 points left. In block 7, the digit 6 has to go in column 3. 3 points right, and this 3 points up. In block 3, the digit 3 has to go in column 7. These 3s force the 3 in block 6 to go in one of these two cells. Alright, a lot of these kind of patterns. The 5 in block 7 has to go in column 1. Actually, these 5s point up, forcing the 5 to go in this cell for block 3. And then actually these point up. Okay, after I place this 5, I can say that in block 3, 1 has to go in column 9, points down, and for the 8s, it points up, so in block 3, 8 must go in column 7, but because it takes up 3 cells, I won't mark it. But we know that since this is a 5, in column 8, this can't be 8 anymore, these 3 cells see 8, so 8 goes down here for the column. That forms a 1-8 pair, because both 1 and 8 can only go in these two cells for this column. So none of the digits can go in these two cells, both for the column and the block. So these 3 cells then form a triple of 3, 6, and 7. Which go like that because of these digits. And then, let's see if we got anything else down here. Yes, because of this 1-8 pair, none of the digits can go in those cells. This cell sees 7, and these two cells see 7 up here. So that forces the 7 in this cell. Forces 7 into this cell for block 9. So these 7s, they point left. And then these 3 cells, they form a triple of 2, 4, and 6. This cell sees both 4 and 6, so it must be 2. And the other 2 cells form a pair of 4 and 6. These 2s, and also this 2, forces the 2 in block 6 to go in that cell. This 2 actually eliminates the 2 from this cell and leaves us with just one option left with the 2 for block 8. These point left. The 5 in block 8 has to go in column 4. These point up. This cell also sees another 5, So in block 2, 5 is forced into this cell, which eliminates the 5 in this cell, which places the 5 here in block 1. Okay, these two cells form a pair of 4 and 9. Hmm. Um. Okay, these 6s, they point up. You know, I'm just gonna mark some cells. Mark some digits in the cells. So, in row 9, the 4 cells are 4, 1, 3, 7, and 8. So 1, 7, 1, 1, 3, 7, and 8. 1, 3, 7, and 8. Column 9, the digits are 1, 4, 6, and 9. Let's see, column 4. 4, 5, 6, and 8 are the digits that go in the cells. So 4, 5, 6, and 8, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Up here we got 4, 5, 6, and 8, 4, 5, 6, and 8. A lot of bi values, and also I forgot what it's called with 3 digits. So anyway, a lot of cells that are just down to 2 or 3 digits. Can I do anything with that? Oh, right, because, okay, if you look at row 5, of course these 3 cells can't be 3 or 6 because it sees them in the same block, and this cell also can't be 3 or 6 because this is a part of the 4-9 pair. So actually, these 2 cells are the only 2 cells where 3 and 6 can go in row 5. So this actually forms a 3-6 pair. None other digits can go in these 2 cells. So that makes these 4 cells a quad of 2, 4, 8, and 9. So this is 2 or 4 only, but the others, because this is 2, 8, 9, but this can be 2, 4, 8, or 9. Not sure if that's a good spot, because it didn't help much. Well, I guess it does, actually, because, the 8 in row 5 now has to go can only be in one of these two cells. So actually there's 8 points left, this can't be 8. So in block 5, 8 is down to one of these two cells. In row 4, the 4 digits that go in the cells are... Oh, I already see. How did I miss this? This cell sees a 9, this cell sees a 9, this cell sees a 9. Row 4 still needs a 9, has to go here. Alright, so the other 3 are 4. 3, 4, and 7. 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7. Alright. Oh, so now, after I place this 9, because there's this 3 pointing left, that forces 3 in block 5 to go in column 5. And these 3s, they point down. This is not a 3. This cell also sees another 3, so in block 8, the digit 3 is forced into this cell. That points left forces the 3 into this cell for block 7, and followed by the 7. 3's point up. The 7 points up, eliminates 7 from this cell, and completes row 4. Resolves this triple. Gets this pair done. These two cells are now 4 or 8. It points right, eliminating 4 from this cell. Therefore, it can only be 9, 4, 6, and 4. Alright, get a lot of cells filled. These 3 cells, they are 4, 3, 6, and 8. Okay, this cell is for 1, can't be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Guess it can be 8. Can't be 9. Alright, so this actually forms a 1, 8 pair, which means that this can't be 8. Now, after I eliminate an 8 from this cell, this forms a 4, 5 pair, eliminating 4 from up here. So this forms a 6, 8 pair, meaning that these 3 cells form a triple of 1, 4, and 7. Oh, this cell sees both 1 and 4, so this is a 7. Alright. Oh, this actually can't be 4, I missed this one. Alright, so this is... actually goes like that. Now this can't be 5, must go here. And it's a... this cell is for 1, because of row 8. And yeah, this cell sees 6, so... Alright, block 7 is done. These two cells are for 1 and 7. 1 goes here. These... okay, this is only a 2, because I eliminated every other digit, and also 4. So it must be 2. These two cells are for 8 and 9. These two cells for column 2 are for 1 and 6. And... okay, I guess I still need to round down some more. Alright, these two stay point left. This cell also sees another 2. So 2 in block 1 is forced into this cell. And then the 3. Sorry, this should be a 3. And then a 3 here. This cell is for 8 or 9 for column 3. This is 6 or 8 for row 2, but can't be 6, so whoops, goes like this, and like this. Yes, now get those done. These two cells are for 4 and 7. So this is 7 for 1, 4, and this 8 and 4. 1 and 8. Oh my goodness, sorry. Okay, well, I have no idea what I pressed. I've done that a few times throughout all of my videos in New York Times Sudoku, and I just have no idea what I pressed that brought me to Google Help, so that did kind of slow down the time. That kinda, you know, I don't know if it's considered ruined or not, but this kinda affected my time, but I guess that's not what matters the most. Yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna say I finished around 14.5 minutes. Alright. So, yeah, it seems like that there were a lot of, there's patterns where, um, two of a certain digit points into one of the blocks, and, that forces the digit in that block to only be in a certain row or column. So, like, in block 7 already 2 examples, like the 6 forces 6 in one of these 2 cells. In column 3, this 5 forces the 5 in one of these 2 cells in column 1. So there were a lot of these examples. I think they're called crossings, right? Yeah, crossings, I don't know. Alright, so yeah. Those patterns are kind of key for the general approach. So just make sure you see all of them, spot all of those crossings or whatever, and yeah, I guess that's very important for your progress later. Alright, anyway, this is New York Times Hard Sudoku for January 8th, 2024. See you all in tomorrow's New York Times Hard Sudoku solve. Bye!